Hello guys, I'm doing another video. Oh crap, I touched turns. Now I have to wait. Damn, that's so slow. I need to avoid spikes. Oh, he can't. That's savage. That's what it does. I like this. It's easy once you get on it. Ow! Now what am I meant to do? What? This game's got delayed dying. What the? Really wasted 5 minutes, 60 seconds on that. I've got to get over there and these bugs. Now what? And up this ladder thing, and I'm at freedom. I escape the temple, going to the pattern. Third area. I'm playing Cool Obby. I'm on the third area. It's a cave.
What level are you?
I'm stage 100. What?
I'm past that. I'm 107.
Damn! These crystals kill you.
I know. This is part harder. It's like ice
What?
and so slippery. It's
I'm
hard because you just non-stop slip. You can't go on the ice or it'll kill you.
on 102 now. These crystals suck.
And then the second level, the like crystals just go out the back. Just nothing right.
Oh, water again. Oh, we're fine. I exited the temple. Now we're basically... Oh no, we're climbing a mountain. We're on Mount Everest.
Yeah.
Caution, slippery. Oh.
It is very slippery. You can't go on ice or you die.
That was the easiest stage.
No, I forgot. That part goes to down.
Oh.
You hate 107.
I'm on 107.
I know. It is
Oh, I was so
hard.
close.
I know. It's so slippery. But this level, you have to jump on normal rocks. And it just automatically goes to slippery rocks.
Oh. No!
I always slip off because the end part is so thin.
It's not making me slip anymore. Ah, crap, I had a massive blank
No,
spot.
these two looks white, but the last two ones were. Yes, I made.
No, I hate that slip. There must be -2 million degrees on that ice. If it's...
That is 10 and it sucks. I almost made it.
The slippery sucks because in reality, it should make you faster. But when you first get on it, in reality, it wouldn't make you slower.
Oh, I'm level 111.
I'm 109. 109 was so easy. 110. 110 was easier than that. 110 was so easy. I got crystals again.
And you have to walk on these little branches. That way. Okay.
That way? You thought it was opposite day.
Oh, that's what it's supposed to do.
113. No! I thought it was at the first bridge one. Like you didn't, all you had to do was basically walk. This way! Wee! This way! Wee! Ladder! Wee! Right, I'm gonna end the video here, since I don't have a lot of room. Wait, no, get to the next one. Crap. The longer this takes, the more room it takes. See you guys, this is the end of the video. Goodbye.